Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new Instacart shopper account. So first you need to do is open up shopper.instacart.com and then it will show you this page. From here simply click on this sign up button, and after this simply enter your details. Once you have filled up all the information, you can simply add a referral code if you want, or you can simply continue without it. So simply click on this create account button, and then this will send you the link of application to your phone number. So simply click on this send a link, and then your account will be created. You can download this application and open your application in Instacart Shopper app. So that's how you can create an account on Instacart Shopper. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.